Justin via email asked, I'm having an HVAC issue and not getting much info on the forums or Facebook groups. My 2016 GTI no longer blows cold air from the AC. A scan on OBDEleven produces the fault code B109D71, air distribution door motor actuator jammed. However, VACCOM does not produce the fault. Additionally, the actuator does not click. I can feel movement when I put my hand on it and turn the car to the on position. The blower motor is working fine and all the vents have a ton of force, just not cold. What else can I look to diagnose this? Could it just be in need of a recharge? And what is the best way to check that? It's a bit frustrating with the conflicting scans and the lacking in common actuator malfunction symptoms. However, my previous Mark V made the noise, but the AC worked fine.
Okay, so that fault specifically points towards the blender motor, which is what blends the hot and cold HVAC air. So what it does is it kind of mixes the two to give you the correct temperature or the desired temperature. It would be obviously full open on heat if you were to have your car all the way turned up to hot, and then vice versa, obviously, if you're on cold. That being that it's jammed makes me think that it's actually physically, either the motor is mechanically not working and it's jammed, or the actual flap itself is jammed and that's why the motor is not moving. That fault is something, and this is something I'm a little bit weird. I don't see how a fault could be, you'd find one in OBDEleven and not with VACCOM, because the faults are in the car, not in the scan tool. So why one would show it and the other one doesn't really make any sense. I would start by clearing the fault to see, and then you also should be able to use an output test to move that flap. Now, when you do that, you should be able to hear it move and locate it. I think what may be happening is you watched our video showing the recirculation flap replacement, and you're thinking that that's where you need to be feeling for this motor. Those are two different motors. The recirculation flap controls the air inside the car recirculating. It opens the flap to create an intake duct inside the car for the air, as opposed to the normal one, which comes from the outside the car. That opens and closes that, which is the one we replaced. That was one we had clicking. The one that you have that it's pointing to being bad is not located there. I actually don't know off the top of my head where that's located. It's probably either at the back of the HVAC air box or at the side on the driver's side of it. That's just a guess based on my experience with usually where those are located. So I would say that's what you have going on. You can go into OBDEleven or VACCOM, go to output diagnostic test mode, and you should be able to see somewhere where it says either blender, motor flap, actuation, or something like that. It might say a V number. A lot of times faults will have like V70 or whatever the flap that is, the motor is related to that. Any V and a fault is going to be, or any V and a number is going to be pointing to a motor. So that flat motor might be actuated through either that V number on that list, or it might say blender motor, or it might say whatever the terminology that you mentioned in the fault itself there that I can't recall off the top of my head now. So you should be able to use an output diagnostic test mode, actuate it, see if it opens and closes. If it doesn't, then you have to at least locate it to figure out what's going on, then see if the flap's opening and closing. I would unplug or disconnect the motor from the flap itself and try to actuate it again, see if it actuates then you can try to see if the flap will open and close. If the flap arm isn't opening and closing, that's bad news probably, because you have to take apart the airbox in the car to probably access that, which means taking the dash out.